Here's how to fix Generative Fill not working in Adobe Photoshop. If the Generative Fill option is grayed out, first make sure you've selected part of your image. Use any selection tool to highlight an area, then the Generative Fill option should become available. If the contextual toolbar isn't showing, click Window at the top of Photoshop and enable Contextual Taskbar. This displays the Generative Fill button whenever you make a selection. If it's still not working, check your internet connection. Generative Fill relies on Adobe's cloud services, so Photoshop must be connected to the internet for the feature to work. Next, close Photoshop and open the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Make sure you're signed in with your Adobe account. If you're not logged in, Generative Fill may be unavailable. After signing in, go to the Updates section and install any available updates for Photoshop. Running an outdated version can prevent Generative Fill from working properly or cause the feature to be disabled. That's all for this video. Thanks.